Alright guys, another video for you all, more content in VR with EMUVR. Now some of you might have heard recently of the vulnerability found in Unity, and of course Unity is what you use to build EMUVR, so you might be a little bit nervous about it. So I'll give you some links in the description of the video and a pinned comment below so you can read what it's all about and how it's been resolved on the Unity website. But the developer of EMUVR has also addressed it and said that it's really a non-issue, but that won't stop some people worrying about it. So they have given us the patch, that unityplayer.dll file to download so we can patch EMUVR. Now this link here is for the Discord server. I don't know if that will work for everyone, so I'll host it on my Mega Drive. I'll give you a link in the description of the video and a pinned comment below so you can download it and patch EMUVR now. Although the developer says it will be added to the next update, if memory serves, that tends to come around Christmas time, so that's a good couple of months away, and I don't want people worrying for 2 months before the update comes along, or they don't use EMUVR till the next update, whatever it might be. So there you go. Now you know. Hopefully it helps you out. Have a great day, have a great evening, whatever it is you choose to do after watching this, and as always, I'll see you when I see you next. Ciao for now.